Bitcoin is crashing. Where it might be headed next. The Bitcoin BTC USD plus 6.30% massacre proceeds, as the cryptographic money breaks $20,000 to exchange at its most minimal level beginning around 2020. Try not to be astounded assuming $10,000 is the following stop. Bitcoin has dropped 13% to $17,769.25 during the beyond 24 hours, carrying it to its most reduced level since December 2020. More terrible still, Bitcoin's value keeps on breaking specialized help levels, recommending that there is even more disadvantage ahead. In spite of having previously lost over 70% since topping at $67,802.30 in November 2021. This graph doesn't start to do Bitcoin's decay equity, however it should do. What's more, it focuses to exactly the way in which powerless the digital currency has been and how much lower it can go. For example, however Bitcoin figured out how to hit another untouched high back in November, it actually hopes to have made something of a twofold top, with the April 2021 highs. The way that it couldn't speed up once it broke out, was, looking back, a sign that the breakout wasn't to be. From that point, it was a speedy excursion down to $40,000 or somewhere in the vicinity, which became support for some time. When $40,000 broke, it was down to $30,000, and afterward held for altogether $2. Yet, when $30,000 broke, it was a fast excursion down to $20,000. Regardless of Bitcoin's weekend drop, it hasn't broken help around $20,000 right now. That is on the grounds that, to get truly muddled, support is most likely in a zone that reaches out from $18,300 to $19,500, as per Fairlead Strategies' Katie Stockton. It's one explanation Bitcoin could lounge around just a tad prior to breaking lower. Also, if $20,000 breaks, there's no help until the following huge round number at $10,000. We should consent to not contemplate what occurs assuming that Bitcoin breaks $10,000 right now. In the event that Bitcoin were a stock, we'd proceed to really take a look at the valuation to check whether considering buying is sufficiently modest. Trust me when I say financial backers wherever are crunching the numbers right to sort out where the S&P 500 SPX plus 0.22% or Dow Jones Industrial Average DJIA 0.13% could view as a base. They're running the numbers to check whether Meta Platforms, Meta, the previous Facebook, is a purchase now that it's down half throughout the course of recent months and exchanging at simply 12.9 times profit. However, there is no valuation for Bitcoin. No financial use case to recommend that now is the right time to purchase. What ought to alarm crypto financial backers is exactly how well Bitcoin is performing comparative with different coins. Ethereum Ether plus 9.14% at $899.59, has fallen 81% from its record high, while Dogecoin Doge USD plus 14.65% has fallen 85%. As Stockton brings up, in the digital currency market, Bitcoin is the place of refuge, contrasted in altcoins. On the off chance that Bitcoin considers protected, that lets us know all that we want about the contention that digital currencies are a store of values. What has held up, to some degree on a relative premise, is gold. The valuable metal shut at $1,835.60 an ounce on Friday, which is down 10% from its 52-week high on March 8, 2022. For the year, however, it is up 0.4%, or totally level. What's more, that is regardless of a dollar that has just gone up. Gold is valued in dollars, so when the dollar rises, its cost ought to fall, alleles being equivalent. It additionally thumps down one more contention for cryptos, that they are the new gold. What's more, who knows? Perhaps Bitcoin's drop could advance to the point that something genuinely shocking occurs. While our disadvantage focus for Bitcoin is $10,000, it would truly be something assuming gold's cost became greater than Bitcoin's cost, composes 22-volt specialized investigator John Roque. Thanks for watching. Friends, I really need your support, so if you liked this video, please like, subscribe to the channel and write any comment right now.